y'all. Y'all already know that when I come up on here looking like nobody love me, it's time for a new install. How y'all been? I've been great. You know, just chilling. Getting ready for Christmas, you know. It is December 20th? No, 21st is what it is. Anywho, it's December 21st. We have 4 more days until Christmas. I did some last minute Christmas shopping today. If you haven't seen that video, you might want to go watch it. I don't want to say last minute Christmas shopping because I really didn't do last minute. I just started my shopping, really. So is that really last minute? If you like just started shopping and never started, would you still call it last minute shopping? I don't think so. Cause last minute is like I got the stuff, but I need to get some more stuff type shit, right? Am I right or am I right? I think I'm right. Alright. Let's glue this puppy down. Okay, nothing is coming up out of there. I need to get some more stuff. I definitely need some more stuff. And I just came from the beauty supply store. So why didn't I get this stuff? I ran out of EBIN spray, as you see, so I'm using the EBIN glue instead. All right, time to blow dry. So y'all, I'm gonna be installing the organic lace front wig, the light Yankee straight 24-inch in the color 613. And these are all the colors that come in. My shoulder, my arm hurts so bad, and I don't know why. This is like white blonde, like really white blonde. All right, let's take this off. Y'all know me, I cut the clips off. Now we're gonna leave a clip in the back and we're gonna cut the tag off. Dang. You want that a little strong, ain't you? Finally. And then we adjust the clips in the back. And I'll be back once we got it on. Alright, got it on. Now it's time to hot comb all this down. Alright, I think that's about as flat as it's gonna get. Let's pull the edges out. I'll be back, I gotta go get a comb. We got edges all pulled out. Let's cut this lace off now. Boom. Alright, now let's cut these edges. Let's comb them out. I really wish I was able to tone this type of wig, but you can't, and it's so annoying. If you can, let me know in the comments how. I need gel now. I forgot gel. I'm always forgetting something. Okay, so instead of gel, I'm gonna use this. Ah! We're gonna come back once I like comb it all out and everything. So I'll be right back. So I plugged this back up and I got it back on. It's heated up so I can lay the rest of this down.
When this group goes to the line, odds are they're picking their shots. As a result, the defense really has to question whether they can be
Y'all see? Sideburns. It's just looking bright. Alright. Let's take this out. Alright, y'all. Boom. Some mousse or something to lay these little like flares down, because they won't lay down for nothing. Alright, that's it. She look bad. Okay, let me wrap all this stuff up. Alright, so this is the final product, y'all. Let me close it up. This is the final product, y'all, so y'all can hit me. Okay. If y'all like this video, y'all go like, comment, share, subscribe, share this with your people. Go follow your girl on all her social media at Zay.Lalo. Okay, anywho. Y'all go follow your girl on all her social media at Zay.Lalo, like I said. If y'all like this wig, go cop it. It was only $48, literally, y'all. Plus, like, the little glue that I bought, it was like $59. So go cop this wig ASAP. I love y'all. I know y'all love me.